to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, we are starting off today's vlog in a different space. It is my bathroom. So as you see from the title or the thumbnail, it's going to be my room and bathroom summer makeover. It's not necessarily that much of a makeover. It's like a deep clean makeover kind of thing. So it's going to summerify, deep clean the places. So yes, I'm in the bathroom. I'm going to give you guys a tour of the bathroom before. Then we're going to start cleaning, because we're going to start with the bathroom, and then we're going to go to the room later on, either today and then tomorrow, you know? Yeah. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of the bathroom right now. So let's roll that clip. Alright guys, so this is my bathroom. When you just enter, you see my mirror, and right now it's quite filthy, especially down at the bottom, but anyways, then this is the overview. Alright, so you enter. First thing you see is this little wall with my face basin and my trash bin. And then over here we have some little knickknacks on it, but it needs a lot of organizing and cleaning and such. Then over here I have my towel and my hand rag. And then I have my sanitary kit, the toilet, the other things over there. And yeah, toilet, the tissue thing is empty. Anyways, the curtain, which is up from Christmas, so it needs to go. And I don't really have any other, but I'm going to find one. Anyways, curtain. Then we have the bath area. So I tried to zoom out so you guys can see it. So this is the bath area. The bath is right here. It also needs to be cleaned. So yeah, this is what it looks like and all of that. And then leaving the bath area, we got this little, we call this towel rack, towel organization thing. It's quite organized for the most part. I just need to fix up, just really shuffle some things, and I'm coming. And then my pan is up there. So let me give it a rundown of what we have to do for the bathroom. All right, so for the bathroom we have, well, I have to clean the shower, clean the face basin, clean the toilet and such, like just clean down everything, you know, deep clean everything. And then for organization wise, pretty much my sister wants to move into my bathroom as well. She wants to use the same bathroom as me because she was using the one that my parents used. So I'm gonna make space for her up here to put her pan, and then down here for her to put her hair stuff, and you know, space up there for her to put whatever she wants. So she already has her soap thingy down there, so just to make space for her, for the rest of her stuff, her towel will go beside mine and all of that. So yeah, that's the look and or the plan for the bathroom right now. So right now, the first thing I normally do when I'm cleaning the bathroom, I spray my bath. I always spray it with bleach, a lot of bleach and disinfectant. So I have a mixture. I have a bottle down there. Let me show you. So this bottle here, I keep, this is what I use to spray it. So I fill it up with water, a little water, disinfectant and bleach. So we're gonna get that right now and then come back and spray, because it's easier for me to just spray and then leave it for a while and then, you know, come back and just scrub. It's much easier for me. I don't know about you. And I do it as well for the toilets and for the face basin. Right? So yes, let's go get that filled. done some washing, so it's been in here quite a while. It's everything is actually dry now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my, it's normally just any soap powder that we have. Right now I have the Freshness soap powder, and I'm gonna take my sponge. Right now, since it's not in the bath I use the brush, and I'm gonna show you my bathroom brush that I got right here. I keep it in the bathroom so I don't mix it up with the clothes on. So yes, that's for the bath. So for the toilets and the face basin, I'm just gonna use these as well as the rag, the bathroom rag. So we're gonna get that done right now. End of the bathroom makeover. This is a mirror. It's clean and all. And then you step in. Yeah, it's been a day pretty much, so I had to buy a curtain, so that's the garbage for it. Anyways, so this is a sink. We got our liquid soap in this, and then our little other soap over here. Then over here we have our paper towels, so you know visitors can come in and dry their hand. That rag is for the bathroom. I still don't know if I want it there, but then again I don't have anywhere else to put it, so I'll probably put it around here soon. Yeah, kind of hidden. Yeah. Then on the top here we have this little tissue thing. Don't know why it dropped down. So yeah, this little tissue thing that my mom made. We have the toothpaste, we have floss, and then over here we have sanitizer, we got a candle, lotion, and the two perfumes. We kind of use this to like sweeten up the bathroom because we don't have a room spray. So yeah. Then under here we got the hair products. Under there we have cleaning stuff, some extra hair products, the soaps that I will use to wash my hand, and extra soaps for bathing. Right, then over here you come and you see our towels. This is my towels, my body towel, hand towel, my sister's body towel, hand towel. So yeah, and then this is our sanitary thing, toilets, you know, basics of a bathroom. We have our plunger, the toilet brush, and the bin, and then tissue. And then we have no tissue in that right now, but that is a tissue holder. So in all, my bathroom can have 4 tissues, so 2 there, 1 there, and then 1 there. Yes. Then this is the curtain that my sister chose, and then we put up this shower curtain here, and it is lined with a clear plastic, so you know when you shower it won't get wet and all. And then inside here it's all clean. So yes, we have an extra soap for like visitors and something when they come. Then this is my rag and my loofah. My sister don't keep her rag and things in here, just her soap and something. So I have my soap over here. This is Jen's soap. These are the body washes that we have in the bath, and that's all. And then over here for the over here for the towel section, I ended up putting that thing over there because I don't like when it's there on the shower thing. It just makes it untidy. And then I fixed the towel thing, and then up here, this is my baskets here. Yeah, I have quite a lot. And then that's my sister's over there. So she just keep her 2 soaps, face soap, her body soap, and her toothbrush. And we have an extra toothpaste if we run out. So yes, that is the bathroom. Yes guys, I'm looking crazy. So yes, thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.